Imagine this, your engine is quietly wearing down right now, and you don't even know it. The scary part? A single overlooked mistake could cost you thousands of dollars in repairs. But here's the good news: you don't need to be a mechanic to protect your engine. Today, I'll reveal 5 secret maintenance tips that mechanics don't want you to know, because if you did, you'd need them a whole lot less. Tip number 1: the hidden oil change secret. Most people think oil changes are just about mileage: 3,000, 5,000, or 7,500 miles, depending on the car. But here's the secret: time matters just as much as miles. Even if you barely drive, oil breaks down from heat, moisture, and age. A car that sits in the driveway can suffer the same damage as one driven daily. Ignore this, and you risk sludge buildup that slowly chokes your engine. So, don't just go by miles, change your oil at least twice a year, even if you hardly drive. That's how you outsmart costly engine wear. Tip number 2: the fuel system flush. You never hear about. There's something most shops won't tell you. Carbon builds up in your fuel system long before you notice symptoms. By the time you feel rough, idling, or sluggish acceleration, the damage is already done. The secret? Use a high-quality fuel system cleaner every 5,000 to 7,000 miles. It's a $15 habit that saves you from $1,500 injector or valve repairs later. And here's a fun fact: mechanics love customers who skip this step because dirty injectors keep them busy. Don't be that customer. Tip number 3: the coolant conspiracy. Think coolant lasts forever? Wrong. Over time, it turns acidic and eats away at your radiator, hoses, and even your engine block. Mechanics rarely mention this because coolant flushes aren't as profitable as major repairs. But if you replace your coolant every 3 to 5 years, you'll prevent the kind of catastrophic overheating that leads to blown head gaskets, a repair that can easily cost more than your car is worth. Tip number 4: the air filter trap. Your engine is basically an air pump. Starve it of clean air, and you rob it of power, fuel efficiency, and lifespan. Many people wait until their filter looks dirty, but by then, it's already been strangling performance. Here's the secret: hold it up to the light. If you can't see light passing through, replace it immediately. It's a $20 fix that can save you hundreds in wasted fuel. Tip number 5: the belt and hose time bomb. No, remember that engine killer I teased? It's not what you think. It's the silent snap of a worn timing belt or hose. When these fail, they don't just leave you stranded, they can destroy your entire engine in seconds. Mechanics know most drivers don't check them until it's too late, but you will. Inspect belts and hoses at least once a year. If they look cracked, glazed, or feel brittle, replace them before disaster strikes. Think about it: most people hand over their hard-earned money to mechanics for problems they could have prevented with just a little knowledge. But you're different. With these 5 secrets, you're not just maintaining a car, you're protecting your wallet, your freedom, and your peace of mind. That's real power. And if you want to keep outsmarting the repair shop and driving with confidence, hit that subscribe button. On this channel, we make sure you stay in control, one smart car tip at a time.